Okay, this video here is for an Alcatel ASM180td. The TD stands that it's a turbo drag, and it also has a diaphragm pump in there, so it's a totally dry system. The thing is started up right now, and basically as long as you know that there's all green LEDs on here, then you know that the system's fine. Especially with the auto cal, that means it's already proceeded and done its auto cal and it passed. So in the case that it doesn't do it, you always want to do is hit this button right here. Okay, what it's going to do now is going to auto cal, and you're going to see that it's going to find the peaks and voltages to spike on the helium. As you can see, the indicator over here below my thumb is going to go up and down, and it's going to find the highest point of where it can peak out on the helium. Okay, so there it found the helium, it went through all the voltages, and the thing's calibrated for helium right now. So once it goes through all that, then basically you're going to hit the test port button to open it up so it can pull vacuum on our calibrated leak. The system does not come with this calibrated leak. This is for our facility only. You can buy them online. And right now you can see that it is right now at around 8 millitorr, or 8 in the 8 scale of the helium, and I'm going to turn it down, and you can see how the bar graph went down. I'm going to turn it back up. So now you know that it's detecting helium. Okay, just to get you familiarized with the system, I'm going to go over with everything here. This is for in case you have a sniffer on the system. You just hit the button and it will get ready. You attach a sniffer to the back of the system, and you will draw instead of taking it out of the test port. Right here, this is for gross mode, just in case if you got a bigger leak, you're going to use this so it can pump at a certain pressure to make sure that it can still detect helium. And this will vent the test port pressure, so you can go ahead and vent the system to open it up and change pieces on the test port itself. This is your reject set point. Once you click on this, it will sound an alarm once it's reached over a certain your set point right here, which is a small screwdriver. This right here is your indicator of telling you what your drag pump is. If it's in green, it's good, and then you got your turbo right here, and it tells you it's okay. This right here is your milliamps that is going to your filament. That's for the spectrometer to help detect the helium, and this is your spectrometer pressure gauge. If there's something wrong with that, you'll always get an indicator right here. It tells you to either hit this to reset it. A lot of times if you dump the system, it will have an indicator here, and you got to hit this so it resets the whole system as a whole. And that's your explanation of this whole system.